Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open Microsoft Teams and click the Viva Insights app in the left rail. The app summarizes your time, meetings, and well-being into a clear weekly digest. It highlights focus opportunities and meeting habits for faster improvements. You will see suggestions like scheduling 15-minute focus blocks or setting quiet hours. The interface shows personal charts only to you and aggregated manager metrics separately. This protection keeps individual details private while still improving team habits. Start here to see quick, open the Planner tab and schedule 15-minute focus blocks for uninterrupted work. Choose consecutive blocks to create longer sessions when needed in the same planner view. Turn on quiet hours to stop Teams notifications outside your chosen work window each day. Use the daily focus reminder to nudge you toward consistent, distraction-free habits. Combine focus blocks with calendar protection to decline meeting invites during those periods. Review your progress each week and adjust block length to match your workflow needs. Complete a short well-being check-in to receive personalized, actionable recommendations for stress and focus. Use the recommended tasks to add micro-habits like short walks or 5-minute breathing exercises. Manager insights are aggregated, showing team trends without identifying any individual employee activity. Adjust privacy and digest frequency in the Viva settings page to control email and notification cadence. Use the My Analytics view for personal time metrics and the Manager view only for aggregated team patterns. Regularly review settings to keep insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.